Welcome back to another unboxing video. We are unboxing Birds of Prey, the 4K Steelbook put out by Best Buy. It includes the 4K UHD, the Blu-ray, and a digital code. Give you a look at the spine there. It sounds like there is a disc loose, so I will have to be careful of that. Give you a look at the back there. HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision for the HDR format, Dolby Atmos for the audio format. Movies Anywhere for the digital code format. I'm going to go ahead and get this open. There we are. The J card wraps around twice, around the bottom, with an irregular kind of format there. Pull that off the top. Give you a look at the full cover artwork at the front. And then the back. Going to go ahead and pull out that digital code. There is the 4K UHD on top. I will have to check for scratches. There's the Blu-ray underneath. And then you have the reverse artwork. So I'm going to lay it out here so you can see it front and back. That is Birds of Prey, the 4K Steelbook. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos.